Hello. High pressure still in charge of conditions across the UK through today. That does mean there's a lot of dry and settled weather, but there is also a fair amount of cloud around too. That cloud across northern and some eastern coastal counties, thick enough to produce a few isolated showers, particularly across the far southeast, as well as across the far north of Scotland. Elsewhere, there is some cloud around. There's varying amounts of cloud across the country, but there are some breaks appearing in the cloud through the morning and into the afternoon to give some sunny spells, particularly across central and western parts of England and Wales. There will be a few brighter spells though across parts of eastern Scotland and perhaps Northern Ireland too. Highs today still chilly at around 3 to 7 degrees Celsius. Tonight, cloud coming in across Northern Ireland, Scotland and eventually the far north of England. Across much of England and Wales, though, there will be some clearer spells developing. That will allow the temperatures to drop away quite rapidly through this evening, giving a fairly widespread frost away from eastern coastal counties where the onshore breeze is still bringing some slightly milder air in. Across Scotland and Northern Ireland, that cloud will be thick enough at times to produce a few isolated showers, particularly towards morning across the far north of Scotland, and we may also see some mist and fog patches developing as the night goes on too. Lows tonight ranging from around -2 to -3 in rural parts of England, up to around 3 or 4 degrees Celsius in parts of Scotland, where it will warm up very slightly through the night. And then looking ahead to Tuesday, we have a frontal system moving in from the north. It's a very weak affair, bringing some patchy rain in across Scotland and eventually through the afternoon across Northern Ireland and perhaps the far north of England. Further south across England and Wales, probably more cloud around than there was on Monday, but it will still remain mostly dry with some sunny spells developing at times where the cloud breaks up. Highs becoming a little milder at around 6 to 10 degrees Celsius.